Hi guys, here's another video from Dummatronics, and today we're going to be showing you MS config. Sorry, a little bit of a pause there because I'm making a few videos today. Open up my new YouTube page, hope you can subscribe, and I'm done some DXDIAG, MS config, just a load of Windows stuff that's going to help you run your Windows PC, laptop or device a lot better than it's running now. But this video now is the DXDIAG one, DXDIAG to be exact, and this system basically will allow us to check our information of our system. You're not going to actually be able to do anything with the software, as in change or do anything. If any of you watched my MS config videos, we made the startup a lot quicker. We went through the system startup settings. You know, we actually did change some system settings there. With this, we're not changing settings. I actually have it open already, so I'm going to close it and take you from the beginning. So what this will do, if you go down to your local computer shop, or if you go and see the person, you might have a regular person that fixes your computers, they might say to you, what spec is your computer? Because they can sometimes, as like myself, if someone had told me they had an issue and they told me they had 1 gig of RAM and they was trying to run Photoshop, I would say it's because you've not got enough memory. So if someone does ask you this question, or you do find that you need your stats, or you're just interested and you want to double check the stats of your computer, this is what we do. We click the start button and we go to our lovely search programs and file feature in Windows 7, and we type in DXDIAG followed by enter on the keyboard. That's simple. It's going to be quite a short video today, but like I say, it's more going to be explaining. So DirectX diagnostics tool will then appear. The only two tabs we're interested in is system and display. Some computers might have display 1, 2 and 3. It's just the first one you'll be interested in, but it's always system and display. This is quite a basic program to get stats. So I mean, when I do overclocking on my home PC, so currently my work laptop, I will use a bit more advanced software. I will be making videos for them as well. So if there's guys out there that are overclocking, getting a bit more serious, they want to start looking into components a bit more, you know, not just to pass on to some information, I will be doing some videos on that later on. But like I say, it's quite a basic thing. It's inbuilt to Windows. Microsoft just supply it, and it's quite simple. So DXDIAG brings this box up, and we have a system here. We have your computer name, operating system, language. I'm sure we can work all this out what this is. And the main information we're going to look at today is BIOS, processor, memory. The reason being is these are quite important things in your computer, but we're also going to look at your graphics as well. So BIOS will be the chipset that's on your motherboard. Showing here that I've got KBC version 26.08, not a very good BIOS, not a very good motherboard, but again, on a works laptop that was supplied to me. You can then see your motherboard, and that will allow people to see what components can go onto your motherboard and what BIOS type you're on. Very good piece of information. Going on to processor, the brain of your computer, the main thing that we're going to need to look at. Well, I say the main, that and the GPU are the main things when you're looking at gaming, if you're looking at gaming, or if you're looking at upgrading. They're the two main things people tend to look at. You can see I've got an Intel Core 2 Duo CPU running at 2 GHz, super power. No, I was joking, by the way. That's not super power, super slow. And that's the processor, along with 4096 megabytes RAM, which will be 4 gigabytes RAM, and we're on DirectX version 11. This page filing here, don't worry about this for now. I'm going to make another video about page filing and how to set manual page filing on your hard drive. Think of it, page filing, as that empty room where you chuck all your junk. That is what PC uses page filing for. But like I say, I'm not going to go into now. There'll be another video for that. So your processor, memory and BIOS, these are the main things in your computer. You can go ahead and Google whatever's coming up now on your computer. Go ahead and Google it, read into it, see what your processor is like, see how old it is, see if it, see how much it's going for now. Just have a little look. Same with your memory as well. See, you might have 1 gig, you might have 2 gig, you might have 16 gig. This laptop, for instance, has 4. My home PC has 16. It would totally depend on age and stuff like that. So we're just going to flick over to display now. We see we're on a mobile Intel because I'm on my laptop with 358 megabytes of physical memory actually on the graphics card, and the resolution here. Again, this would just allow, if you need to get information, or and you're looking to upgrade, you might not know what graphics card you've got now, so you can look here and you can actually see what would be, what graphics card would be the next series up, or what would be an improvement to what you've got. So these would be the two pages I would be taking note. All the information's there. You can actually save all the information as well, export it to a text document, print it that way, or email it to someone. So like I say, it's really good for you guys that are going to computer shops with issues, but you don't want to take your system, you don't want to take your laptop. You can just take a print out and it will show the guy what version they've got. If someone brought me these two pages and told me that the PC's running slow and ask me some advice, I could give them advice based on these 2 pages. I wouldn't actually need to look at their computer unless there were software issues, obviously, but this would, for hardware, that's all I would need to see, and I would be able to tell you why your computer's slowing down and where we can improve it. So guys, if there's any questions on the DXDIAG tool, the DXDIAG, just write me a message. I'll let you know if there's any other information you need to know, or if there's information you're trying to find more specifically or in more detail, I can maybe point in the direction of other software. But this is inbuilt into all Windows, and like I say, it's no third-party software, it just comes with it. Really good for checking out your parts on your computer, guys. So it's been a short video today, hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my videos, let me know some ideas that I can make some videos, and again, thanks for watching, guys.